Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting into live offense and positioning yourself near the defender you want screened. This sets the angle for success. Once in place, make sure your teammate with the right attributes is on the weak or strong side. Press the designated button to request a screen. On Xbox, that means holding the pass assist or teammate command mapped in settings. You do this now so the AI or teammate knows to set an on-ball or off-ball screen at the right spot and time. Once done positioning and choosing the target, you must call the screen precisely. Use the teammate command menu or hotkey to toggle on-ball versus off-ball picks. This changes how the screener approaches. Make sure to aim with the left stick toward the screener's path so the game knows who to send and where. Then, press the screen command just before you make your dribble move or drive. This timing creates separation and forces the defender to navigate around contact. You complete the sequence by reading the screener. Curl into a shot, slip to the rim, or pop for an open jumper based on their tendencies. Once the screen is set, exploit any mismatch. Drive if the switch creates a slower defender, or take the quick jumper if space opens. If the call fails, make sure controller mappings match the instructions and adjust teammate AI/coach settings. Sometimes animation timing or player badges prevent execution, so tweak options and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.